Hello everyone. Starting with this content, I will be creating a series of educational videos on Bollinger Bands, a tool used with confidence by many professional traders. This will be the first installment of our video series. For this series, I have asked ChatGPT for 5 different and effective strategies that work well with Bollinger Bands, and they have provided me with detailed explanations of the 5 most compatible strategies. I will present their suggestions exactly as described without making any changes. Let's get started.
ChatGPT's first suggestion was as follows. Now, let's work on this strategy. First, let's set the indicator parameters and add it to our chart. Let's take a look at 3 consecutive trades on our chart. The price should cross the upper or lower line of the Bollinger Band, and the RSI indicator should also cross the 30 line in a downward direction, or the 70 line in an upward direction. This is how the trading conditions are met. The stop loss level is the pivot line that passes through the middle of the Bollinger indicator. It can be placed below this line for long positions and above it for short positions, as always. The first target is a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio. For scalping traders, this level is sufficient to close the entire trade. Traders who make medium and long-term trades can take some profit when they reach this profit level and continue by moving the stop-loss level to the entry point of the trade. This situation is entirely related to the trader's gain and risk perception. As you can see, we looked at 3 consecutive trades in the price action, and the result was 2 successful trades and 1 losing trade. In our video, we will try to improve this strategy by making small adjustments to the indicator settings. Please watch it without skipping because the information that will be covered in between can weaken your complete understanding of the strategy. Let's take a look at an example of a long and a short position. Later on, let's revise the indicator settings and test them again without deviating from the rules recommended by ChatGPT. Yes, my friends, I changed the standard deviation parameter in the Bollinger indicator from 1 to 2, and the overbought level in the RSI indicator from 70 to 60, and the oversold level from 30 to 40. I tried many different values, but I found the best profit rate in backtesting with these parameters. Now let's optimize this and look at long and short position examples while staying true to the same rules. Frankly speaking, I liked the strategy more in the way we optimized it. In quick backtests I did, this optimization provided a higher profit rate than the one at the beginning of the video. Let's end our video here for now. Please remember that I will soon share the second part of the series recommended by Chat for the Bollinger indicator. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be notified instantly. Goodbye.